Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In this video, we are going to see how to set up GDPR compliant cookie bar on a Shopify website. Guys, before going ahead in this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel Coded, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon to get all notifications related to our new videos. So without wasting much time, let's start. By default, Shopify doesn't have cookie bar. Hence, we need to install a third-party app to have a GDPR compliant cookie bar on our website. Now, let's see how do we do that. First, we'll have to navigate to apps. Then, click on recommended apps. Now, scroll down and now click on Shopify App Store link. Over here, we need to search for GDPR. So guys, this is the app that we are looking for. Booster EU Cookie Bar GDPR. Click on it. Guys, this is a free app. You can install it on your store. There are no charges for it. So you can also look at the brief description they have given on this listing of their app. Now, let's see how they've also given the demo store link. So now let's see how the bar looks on their demo store. So guys, if you see, this is how the cookie bar looks. Please note that this is their demo store. So similarly, we will also install this app and we'll see how the cookie bar looks on a Shopify store. Now let's navigate back. Now click on Add App. On this page, we need to click on Install App. So there we go guys, the app is currently getting installed. So guys, the app has been successfully installed. If you see, there are three options over here. Install the app, enable the cookie bar and preview the cookie bar on your store. So currently we have the cookie bar turned off. So this is the button to turn it on a Shopify store. Then we have the message. What message we want to display on the cookie bar. We can also change this message. Currently we have this website uses cookies to ensure you get the best experience on your website. So whatever content you have, you can update it over here. Then we have privacy policy URL. So what privacy policy URL you want to give, you can change it over here. We then have OK button text. So the button that is displayed on the cookie bar, we can change the text of it, like it is got it. We can change it to accept it. Then we have info link text, learn more. We can also change this text, like to read more. Then we have option to show banner for just EU countries. So whatever countries come under EU, we can only show banner to those countries only by turning this option on. Over here at the right side, we can see the preview of the banner. Also, the text that is entered over here on top is shown over here on the banner. Then we have the got it button and the learn more, which has the hyperlink. Under design settings, we can change the color of the banner. Like I'll change it to this color over here. We can also change the banner text color. Currently it is white. Let me change it to something bluish. So you can select any color that you want. We can also change the banner link color, then the button color. Currently it is transparent. So if I keep white, then you can see look how it looks. We can also change the button text, like in the center. Like in the center, if you see, the button text color is in yellow color. Also, the border is in yellow color. We can change the border color also over here. Now, let's enable this option over here. Banner enabled on your store. Now, if you see, so guys, sometimes this app gives errors. So, don't worry. Turn this option off again. Now, turn it on again. And then click on save. Again, you'll have to reload the page. So guys, please note that this is the error of the app. Turn the banner on again. Now, if you see, the banner has been successfully updated on our store. Also, you need to change the colors again. So change the colors again and save the changes back. And click on save button again. Now, let's preview the change. We need to click on preview your store and come back button over here. So there we go guys. The GDPR compliant cookie bar is successfully shown on a Shopify website. We can see the message that we have entered inside the app. This website uses cookies to ensure you get the best experience on a website. Then we have the learn more option over here, which has the privacy policy link. And then we have the got it button to accept the cookies. So guys, that's all in this video. I hope this video was helpful to you in learning how to set up GDPR compliant cookie bar on your Shopify store. To get more videos like this, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon to get all notifications related to our new videos. Also, friends, please share this video with your friends and family members and don't forget to like. Till then, signing off from this video. Thank you.